Press the button briefly to turn on the robot.
The robot is starting the cleanup.
4 cleaning modes are available in the Mi Home app: Quiet, Standard, Strong, and Turbo. You can schedule cleaning time in the Mi Home app. Select the time you want the vacuum to clean up. Choose the days, cleaning mode, and water level for your scheduled cleaning. The robot will automatically start cleaning at the designated time, and then return to the charging dock to recharge when the cleaning is done.
Charging.
You can divide the rooms of your house or merge them into map settings.
The robot is starting the room cleanup.
Click Zone Cleaning and select the area you want to clean.
The robot is starting the zoned cleanup.
Click Forbidden Area or Virtual Wall, and you can delimit the forbidden area for cleaning. The Dreame D9 is also available for Amazon Alexa. You can start the cleaning by saying, "Hi Alexa, turn on the vacuum."
The robot is starting the cleanup.